everybody! Today I'm gonna make yummy cupcakes. The ingredients are white sugar, vanilla, 2 large eggs, milk, baking powder, and butter and flour. Five, 6, 7, 8. And one more thing, if you want to put chocolate chip, you can put 1, the cupcakes look yummy. Now I'm gonna put it in my oven and it's already preheat. This is the final product. It looks yummy.